Hey guys, it's Gemini Stona, and today I want you all to spend a lazy day with me at home. Stay tuned. It's a rainy day, so I'm just going to sit at home and enjoy the weather. Time for self care, and of course, I'll be doing it in my Body Secret skincare products. More like get ready with me to stay at home.
Jail for money laundering and the murder of Franco Garcia.
Hi, it's 6 p.m. and I'm just waking up from my nap. Can you imagine?
Victoria, sis, I want to apologize.
Thanks for watching. Bye.